Afraid to get dirty? But I thought you wanted whining! I simply cannot let such a crime against fabulosity go uncorrected! That doesn't even make any sense. Gently, please! How can you be so insensitive? How could you? Idea! I'm so pathetic! Oh, it is on! Leave me alone! Mama's coming! Ooh! Please, please, please! My hooves are getting positively pruny. I've been waiting here so long. Some of us do have standards. Take that, you ruffian! Tell me! Oh, thank you. I can't wait to hear all about the thing at the place. This is whining. Try it, punk. Whatever shall we do? You look smashing. You must. You're just saying